My name is Logan Guillory, and I'm currently taking Chemistry 1001, Section 476. And I had to do a chemistry project, and I decided to do it on the Hall of Mirrors, which is a Key and Peele skit on YouTube. Key and Peele are popular comedians that are well known for their ability to create unique videos and skits. They're all over YouTube at this point. And this particular video that they did, or skit that they did, was the Hall of Mirrors, and it's about a detective that's looking for a serial killer. However, the problem is he walks into this room where the serial killer is supposed to be, and it actually ends up to be a hall of mirrors. And all surrounding him is that killer, and he's trying to determine the whole time which one is the actual killer. Of course, at the end of this video, he does actually bump into the actual killer, and he was able to find him. So what do mirrors actually do? Well, they use smooth surfaces to reflect light, and when you look at the mirror, you'll actually see that reflected light. Now, what you see depends on the angle that you're looking. So as you look at the mirror and you move side to side, you'll actually see different parts of the room because your angling will change. And of course, everything you see through a mirror is going to be reversed or backwards. So how do these mirrors actually work? What was happening when the detective was in the room of mirrors and he was seeing multiple killers in that room? Why was that happening? Well, what was happening was the photons of the rays of light were hitting these smooth surfaces and they were absorbed in that reflective surface within the mirror. Those photons then bounce back at the same speed in a different direction. Now, unlike throwing like a ball at a wall, that when it bounces back, it loses that energy, so it slows down. Well, unlike that, these photons actually go back at the same exact speed. So those photons use all different colors. It will absorb into the mirror, except for the color green. Depending on which colors are absorbed, depends on the color that we actually see back. So what materials actually work as mirrors? Well, today's modern mirrors, it's going to be a clear glass layer with a thin layer of reflective metal, as seen at the bottom. There's going to be that glass, then there could be that silver reflective metallic of some sort. Then you can have some other metals, and they put a protective background. But that's what the modern mirrors are. And before that, they were using large polished metals, typically brass. And the very first mirrors that were known were smooth rocks, such as obsidian, which comes from volcanoes. So what are mirrors used for? Well, we have the typical mirror, which is the bathroom mirror, kind of what we just saw in the Key and Peele skit, Hall of Mirrors. And that's going to be used to show the whole body. It's used for grooming and everything of the sort. But also we have mirrors in things such as televisions, especially modern televisions, which has millions of mirrors inside of it, which helps with quality, and that's why we have our high definition televisions. Even in cars, we use mirrors. We use them for the rear view mirror and the side view mirrors. And the rear view mirrors often have a tint to them where you can click the button or push the tab and it'll go ahead and tint it just in case somebody's behind you with brights. That way it doesn't blind you while you're driving, which reflects it in a different direction. We also use mirrors in telescopes and microscopes so we can zoom and reflect images. So what references did I use? Well, the first one I used is, of course, YouTube, which has the Key and Peele skit on it, A Hall of Mirrors. And if you want to go ahead and watch that, you can click this link right here. And the second one I used is wonderopolis.org, which is where I went to that website to learn about the mirrors and how they work. So thanks for watching.